All right, so quick video today. I want to show you how to AirPlay or screen mirror to your Roku device. Before we get started, we need to actually go to the settings here, and then in settings we need to go to system here at the bottom. In system, we're going to look for screen mirroring, and then screen mirroring mode. We need to make sure that it's set to either prompt, which is going to prompt to confirm, or always allow, which just always allows anybody to AirPlay or screen mirror to your TV. If you have never allow, then it won't work. So we have to make sure that we have one of these two set. And to do that, it's actually pretty easy. You have two options. I know a lot of you are probably coming from YouTube, so you can just easily hit that square icon right there and choose the Roku device, and that will cast it onto the screen. Cool. There's my boy Matt. Or let's back up out of that. I'm gonna hit the home button. On an iPhone, you can swipe down from the upper right hand side, and you're going to hit these two squares right here. That's the screen mirror button, and you'll look for Roku Express 4K. This time it's just gonna mirror my full screen here. But if I hit the full screen option on the phone and hit play, it'll take it full screen. So, oops, yeah, we want to keep it there. That is that. Now, I would probably recommend doing it from the actual, from here, right? Using this one. And then Roku for Express. The icon will be the same on Netflix or wherever you're watching. But if I do it like this, I can use my phone while I watch. So that's just something to keep in mind. But yeah, that's a quick guide on how to screen mirror or AirPlay to your Roku device. Hope it helps. See you next time. Bye.